Hi guys, so yeah, welcome back to my channel, and we're going to talk about just one huge topic when I'm working. So there are customers who would ask me questions about best way to put on weight or any best weight gainers out there, and when are you going to see the results if you take weight gainers. So basically, is a weight gainer supplement worth it? So stay tuned guys. A weight gainer, majority of weight gainers out there in the market has a very specific formula, which is, well, you can see in other brands, or if not all of the brands out there. So for weight gainers, it has high calorie, high carbohydrate, medium amount to high amount of or high dosage of protein. So the calories is very important if you want to put on weight. Now granted, maybe if you're in teenage years, your metabolism will be faster than a 30-year-old age group, mid-20s age group. So for people who say that I eat like almost every time, every day, I eat like 5 to 8 meals in a day, I still cannot put on weight. That is because your calories is still not enough, is insufficient for you to put on weight. Now if you go by the books, it's 3,500 calories excess, you'll put on 1 pound of weight. Now granted, there are research that like maybe they did compute, or they did some tests that basically that doesn't prove anything, because you can still burn the calories when you work, when you your basic metabolism will definitely burn more calories. But just a rule of 3,500 excess calories you put on 1 pound of weight. Now granted that this is just on the books, and maybe new scientific research is out there which I haven't read at the moment that disproves this. Well, basically just put this one thing in mind: excess calories you will put on weight. Why is it that you cannot put on weight at the moment, even if you eat a lot? Your metabolism is fast, number one. Number two, you're not eating enough. Don't go to a shop, don't go online, tell people that you eat like rice every meal, you eat like 5 cups of rice every meal, but you still cannot put on weight. That is because those calories are just enough for your body to burn. So you have to go with maybe check out force feeding, or you go with supplement, which is a weight gainer supplement. So back to the question, the main question is weight gainer supplement really worth it? In my opinion, it is going to be worth it, provided that you take it the right way. So what I mean by telling you taking it the right way is that you should still take calories, carbohydrates from the food that you eat. Now the weight gainer is a supplement. It supplements your diet. So that means that, let's say you cannot, or you're new into force feeding, or you're new into going up your calories or eating more, or increasing the frequency of your meals, you can use the weight gainer supplement so that you can boost up your calories, your carbohydrates. So let's say I'm an 18-year-old guy, my metabolism is very fast, I'm very thin, almost to the bone. Let's say, just imagine almost to the bone, but I eat 5 cups of rice every meal. My meal timing is 5 to 6 times a day I would eat, and every meal there's at least a cup of rice there, maybe protein, vegetables, the usual dish. So let's say I eat breakfast. That's my breakfast. In the middle of the meal for that morning, so I finish breakfast. Before lunch, I would take a weight gainer supplement to drink. Now after that, I'll go with lunch. After lunch, I put in or drink another weight gainer supplement. Maybe after 2 hours, I'll drink a serving. Then after that, let's go with another snack maybe high carb meal, maybe pasta or something like that, or bread. Okay, so yeah, you get the idea of going with that. So let's do if you're really a beginner, you can write down your meals and check how many calories you can get. There's an app for that as well. It's a free mobile app. You just check Google or the Play Store or Apple, or if you're using iPhone or Apple products, you can check that. So recap guys, don't get confused, right? Number one, a weight gainer supplement is worth it, provided that you take it the proper way, and results actually will take a longer time. If you do have fast metabolism, it is going to be. It will take at least more than a month. If you stick to that plan, if you know your body very well, let's say like maybe a month and a half. All right, so eat more, increase your frequency, check out videos on force feeding, and eat more complex carbohydrates. Don't eat those high sugar meals because of the calories is high, like cake. Eat chocolates, drink more sugary drinks or food. So don't go with that. Go with complex carbohydrate meals. So yeah, if you do have any more questions or any suggestions or comments, you can leave them down below, and I'll get back to you when I'm free. Of course, I'm always free, so yeah. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Cheers.